3 business you can do to become a multi-millionaire this
Kampala,
year.
Kampala. I beg no verse, so no verse.
Bro, this is what you do now. I don't like I don't like this way.
I take God.
See, wait. I want to tell you something. Normally, at least, see my camera now.
Sorry.
You supposed to let me know.
Sorry.
Say, I want to see you. If I have anything, like, we go talk.
Sorry.
That make if I they shoot, I they like hide. I don't know this. I don't even talk to this. See, I don't even talk to my estate people. Some people will come here, anytime we say, bros, how you take no say? I dey here. How you take no?
I don't.
How you take? You dey inside this estate?
I don't. They follow you. I don't. They follow your page all this time. I don't. They follow. They even send you message, but you know they reply by messages. Understand?
I know they reply your messages.
Yeah, they send you message for inbox. I know get your number. So now one guy 9 times he say he know your estate. Come direct me here. As I there for estate gate self, they don't allow me enter. I beg, no verse. Understand?
So bros, wait. This video now, wait, see what they do. The only thing, not be say maybe you carry something, you want to go deliver something for somebody.
No, now you are carry this thing. Now your picture now I showed the estate this thing. Now, as I showed them, now they allow me. Make I enter.
I think they maybe just embarrass me. Oh.
No verse, I beg.
This year, 2026, gifts. Should I open it?
Open it now.
Bros, open our bag. If now, Bob, I know you. She back our bag. This is my first time when someone can't give me gift.
Now since your birthday, now I do and keep.
You did around this my estate. Are you around this estate?
No.
So how you can't take no say they live around here?
Now person direct me.
Yeah.
Person direct me. And the gate men then tell me say you they shoot right now. I swear. I tell happy side see you.
They don't notice I see how they always shoot. Ladies and gentlemen, I bet this guy just enter my video now, so I don't really know. He saying bring gift for me, so I don't really know what's in there. Let me see. Hey! Wow! Camera, carry the camera, come. Jesus, thank you so much. This is my picture, don't tell.
And copy from your page.
Long time ago. Carry the camera, go back. Can I go back? Very nice. This is nice, oh. Wow. Bros, this thing make me forgive you. But what you really want, so you can't go do my picture? Come, today is not my birthday now. Which date be it? Today is not my birthday.
The last year now I do your birthday. Now the last year I do
Man, Kampala family, ladies and gentlemen. I did my estate. They should say make I do video when I go post today. So I can't find out. One of my fans, and this guy did good. I don't know, he just bring this gift. Come today, say make una see what somebody give me. This is my first time to receive gift from fans. I know tell you like I've been receiving money, I've been receiving so many things, but this is my first time when I collect this kind of gift from somebody. So bros, I really appreciate. But apart from that, what do you really want? So what do you really want? This is how you can't give.